What comes to mind when you hear the word billionaire? Private islands, lavish parties, endless luxury? For most people, yes. But Elon Musk rewrote the rulebook. From sleeping on factory floors to putting all his money into saving humanity, he is not your typical billionaire. In this video, we dive deep into why Elon Musk might just be one of the most selfless billionaires the world has ever seen. Make sure to stay until the end, because what he did with his last dollar will surprise you. He risked everything, twice. In 2008, Elon Musk faced a financial crisis that would have crushed most people. After selling PayPal, he made hundreds of millions. But instead of keeping it, he invested nearly all of it into two risky ventures, Tesla and SpaceX. At the time, both companies were struggling. Tesla was mocked for trying to build electric cars, and SpaceX had already failed 3 rocket launches. Musk had to choose, save his remaining money or risk it all to keep his dream alive. He chose the latter. With no guaranteed return, he poured his last funds into one final rocket launch and payroll. If it failed, both companies and his reputation would be gone. But it worked. The rocket launched, NASA signed a deal, Tesla got more investors. It was a turning point that proved Elon Musk was not just in it for the money. He was in it to make history, no matter the cost. He doesn't own a mega mansion. Despite being one of the richest men in the world, Elon Musk made headlines in 2020 when he announced he was selling all his homes. People thought he was joking, but he was serious. He sold multiple luxury properties and moved into a tiny, prefabricated home near SpaceX's launch site in Boca Chica, Texas. The house is around 375 square feet and worth less than $50,000. For a man worth over $200 billion, this is almost unthinkable. Musk said he wanted to simplify his life and focus on his missions. He did not want material possessions to distract him. His decision shocked many, but it fits a pattern. Elon Musk has never chased wealth for luxury. His actions show he values innovation, freedom, and focus over comfort. While other billionaires upgrade their yachts, Musk downgraded his lifestyle, proving once again that he thinks differently from almost everyone else at his level. He's trying to save the planet. Tesla is more than just a car company. It is Elon Musk's answer to climate change. While critics doubted him, he pushed forward with electric cars, solar energy, and battery storage solutions. His mission? To speed up the world's transition to sustainable energy. Musk was not just talking, he was acting. He invested billions, often at great personal risk, to make green technology mainstream. The early years were rough. Many experts predicted Tesla would fail. But Elon kept going. Today, Tesla has changed the auto industry forever and inspired traditional car makers to go electric. He also launched SolarCity, which later merged with Tesla Energy, helping homes reduce their carbon footprint. From Powerwalls to solar roofs, Musk is building a future where the planet can breathe again. Unlike most billionaires, he is not just consuming the world's resources. He is actively working to protect them for future generations. SpaceX is about humanity's survival. To many, SpaceX is just a rocket company. To Elon Musk, it is humanity's insurance policy. He believes that Earth will not last forever, whether due to war, climate change, or natural disaster. That is why he wants to make life multiplanetary. Musk's dream of colonizing Mars is not about fame or ego. It is about giving our species a second chance. SpaceX was born from this idea, and Musk risked everything to make it real. He endured ridicule, massive debt, and multiple launch failures. Yet, he pressed on. Today, SpaceX is the first private company to send astronauts to the International Space Station. Its reusable rockets have slashed costs and changed the space industry forever. But Elon's eyes are still on Mars. He wants a self-sustaining city there, so that even if something happens to Earth, the human story continues. He is not building rockets for glory. He open-sourced Tesla's patents. In a move that stunned the tech and automotive industries, Elon Musk made all of Tesla's patents freely available to the public in 2014. Instead of guarding his inventions with expensive lawsuits and secrecy, he opened the door for other companies to use Tesla's technology to advance electric vehicles. Musk said the goal was not to crush competition, but to grow the entire sustainable transport industry. If we clear a path to the creation of compelling electric vehicles, but then lay intellectual property landmines behind us to inhibit others, we are acting in a manner contrary to that goal, he wrote. This wasn't just generous, it was revolutionary. In a world where patents often serve to slow innovation, Musk chose progress over profit. His selfless act allowed others to build on his work, pushing the entire world closer to cleaner transportation and a healthier planet. He works like an employee, not a boss. Elon Musk is not the kind of CEO who hides behind a desk or delegates from a yacht. When Tesla was facing production issues with the Model 3, Musk didn't disappear. He moved into the factory. He worked long nights, sometimes sleeping under his desk, or on a beanbag near the assembly line. Employees often reported seeing him walk the floors, solving problems firsthand, often covered in grime and sweat. This hands-on leadership style is rare among billionaires. While he demands excellence, he leads by example. Musk doesn't expect anything from his team that he isn't willing to do himself. That grit inspires loyalty, but also demonstrates that he's not driven by status. He's driven by results. He's not above hard labor, even with billions in the bank. To him, building something meaningful means being right there in the trenches, with the team for the mission. His real wealth is not money. Elon Musk's net worth may rise and fall with the stock market, but that is not what defines him. He once said, "I am accumulating resources to help make life multiplanetary and extend the light of consciousness to the stars." For Musk, wealth is simply a tool, a means to solve big problems. He rarely cashes out. Instead, he reinvests in innovation, rockets, electric vehicles, brain-computer interfaces, and even tunnels to solve urban traffic. Most billionaires build empires for legacy or luxury. Musk builds to impact the future. He's not chasing personal comfort, he's chasing possibility. He has faced bankruptcy, public doubt, and personal sacrifice. Yet, his focus has always stayed the same: how to make life better, more sustainable, and more advanced for everyone. That mindset separates him from the rest. Elon Musk may be one of the richest men on Earth, but his eyes and heart are always aimed far beyond it. Elon Musk may be controversial, intense, and misunderstood. But one thing is clear: he's not in it for himself. In a world of excess, he chooses sacrifice. In a sea of comfort, he chooses struggle. That's what makes him not just a billionaire, but a visionary with a soul. If you found this inspiring, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know. What do you think is Elon's most selfless act?